friends, and welcome to my channel. I am Jeanette Andromeda, and today it's another collab! This time we are doing a line art swap with Ashmarie Arts, and her channel is up here in the cards above for you guys to go check out. So in this package is a line art swap with Ashmarie Arts, and we each drew line art of Krampus, and then we're swapping it with each other to color. So I'm really looking forward to just sitting back, relaxing, and seeing what's inside of this beautiful package. I cannot wait! I so love Ashmarie's art style. She makes the most beautiful things, and if you like my spooky stuff, she does some really good, really good spooky stuff. I can't talk today, but that's normal, so. One of the things that I love that she does is she does these beautiful lyric illustrations of of songs. So she'll do the lyrics of her favorite songs as pieces of artwork. So it's mind-bogglingly gorgeous. So definitely go check her out. And right now, let's color some Krampus in. I haven't seen this yet. I'm so excited. And yay! Okay guys, here is the moment of truth. Let's see what this looks like. So, Ashmarie Arts has used, she goes by Ashley, by the way, has used some nice, delicious looking cardboard to make sure her line art gets here safely. So, let's unwrap it. Also, I totally do the same thing. I just use scrap cardboard to keep my artwork safe. Oh! They're cute! Pray to the postal gods for safe passage. It seems this has arrived intact, Ashley. Oh my gosh. I'll read this in a second, but oh my god! Oh, it's so beautiful! I love him! Look at that! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my gosh. Krupp von Krampus. And then the holly in his hair, and that beautiful horn, and the adorable little children's hands calling out for help. Ah. Okay, I knew I would feel really bad about coloring something in, but now I feel worse because it's like, oh, it's so beautiful. But I'm really excited. I'm definitely going to do some thumbnails and make sure I know what I want to do for the colors first. And then I will color, so yeah. So let's do Mama Ashley proud. And not mess this up. So rest your bad behavior, or else you will dismay. Remember, Krampus is the one to come on Christmas Day. If we've been bad all year long, or we have gone astray, oh, Krampus will chase us and we'll hide. Oh, we'll hide. So be good, or Krampus will be by. So there you go, my friends. This was my line art swap with Ash Marie Arts. Definitely go check out her channel and see the line art I made, and I'm super curious to see how she colored in mine. So thank you, Ashley, so much for doing this with me. This collab was so much fun, and really, I needed this week. I just needed something kind of fun and relaxing and chill, which is what this ended up being. So just thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Ashley, so much for this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Krampus. See you guys next week. Bye! So rest your bad behavior, or else you will dismay. Remember, Krampus is the one to come on Christmas Day. If we've been bad all year long, or we have gone astray, oh, Krampus will chase us and we'll hide. Oh, we'll hide, so be good, or Krampus will be by.